Hello YouTube. In today's video we'll be coming over completed listings and we will see what these synthetic moissanite stones are trading for on the World Wide Web. We can see that the stones meet the minimum bid requirement of 99 cents with free shipping. These are considerable size stones of 6.5 to 7 millimeters. Listings featured in the red indicates that there was not even one bid, so the stones remained unsold for the starting bid price. We can see the 4, 5, and 6. There was no interest online. I made this video to educate consumers the real market value of this material, moissanite. Moissanite is mass produced and machine faceted in Asia. And this video really proves a point that when this material is offered to consumers on the World Wide Web, this shows the actual cost that anyone can purchase this material for. I know that there will be skeptics not believing the value that these materials are sold for online when they're offered up in an auction setting, or when they sold to wholesalers, or when the wholesalers directly purchase in bulk from the actual manufacturers who are faceting these moissanite stones. Many may question the prices being offered and say that, well, this just cannot be true. This must not be moissanite. And the problem that many don't realize is that this material is greatly mass produced in large numbers. And the faceting is all done by robotic labs. So you can churn out tens of thousands of these stones in a day. So the cost of manufacturing, with more and more that's manufactured in bulk, the price comes down. A great comparison of this material is similarly to a nail or a bolt or a screw. So when you go down to the hardware store, you purchase this material by the kilogram, okay? It's not sold by, unit price of one nail or one screw or one bolt. So just like moissanite, when it's purchased in bulk at wholesale, it's purchased by the kilogram, okay? So this material individually, it's very, very, very low value because the cost of production is very, very low. This was not the case when this material had a patent on it and it was controlled by one source in the United States. They had a monopoly over this material because they were the only ones that could patent it, and any other company that was selling this material, silicon carbide, in faceted form, the company sued the growers, and they could not even grow or sell it and distribute it. And so what really was a bad scenario is this material for scientific research was, for 20 years, you couldn't even obtain this material. And that was, an unfortunate event. And so for those who disbelieve that synthetic laboratory-grown diamonds, okay, HPHT or CVD, high pressure, high temperature, chemical vapor deposition diamonds cannot drop to the prices that we're seeing right here in this video, you are sadly mistaken, because the production levels of synthetic diamonds are in the tens of billions of carats. And all what is needed is these growers of synthetic industrial diamonds to transition to grow clean, pure, rough for gemological and jewelry use. So I strongly believe that very soon that you will see the same prices that we're seeing right here in this video for a synthetic laboratory grown diamond. The only hindrance that is keeping that from happening now is you have gemological grading reports and you have marketers and marketing geniuses that are pushing forth the high cost at the consumer prices that we're seeing for that material. So synthetic moissanite and synthetic diamonds, they're really the same thing in regards to laboratory grown gemstones.